Okay, so question 18. In a group of 120 adults, 85 watch football, 78 play a sport, and 22 neither. Find a probability that an adult chosen at random from those who watch football does not play a sport. What we've got to do then is we're going to draw a Venn diagram, because this is one of the new sort of GC questions with probability within a Venn diagram. So we've got our two circles, like so, and we know that one of those circles is sport, which I'll leave there, and we've got another circle which is football. What we can't do is instantly put in numbers. We know that a group of 120 adults, so this whole Venn diagram represents 120 adults in total. The only thing we can put in is we know that 20 don't play football or don't watch football and they don't play a sport. We've got to somehow work out what number is being shared into that Venn diagram. So we're going to do 120, take away 20, which is 100. So we know 100 has to be split up into those two circles. What we can start off doing, if we know, let's just look at sport because we can. So let's do 100, take away 78. The answer is 22. Now how does that help us? That helps us determine how many people watch football but don't play a sport. So with that number we can instantly put that into here. Okay. Now let's work out, well, we know the whole of football is equal to 85. So let's do 85 minus 22. The answer is 63. So we know 63 has to go in there because that whole circle represents 85. Let's go to the sport side now. So the whole of sport represents 78, as in the question. So we do 78, take away 63, and the answer is 15. So we know 15 play a sport but don't watch football. That's our Venn diagram actually sorted. Now let's look back at the question. What's it asking us to do? Find the probability that an adult chosen at random from those who watch football, so that's from this whole circle here, does not play a sport. So let's start with the first bit. Find the probability that an adult chosen at random from those who watch football. So we know it's going to be over 85 because that's the amount of people that watch football. We want this last bit, does not play a sport. Okay, that's the 22. Because that's 63, those people could still play a sport. So 22 over 85, does that simplify? No. That is your final answer.